Hello class, today we're going to learn about side-side-side and side-angle-side congruence theorems. The vocabulary you need to know for this lesson is side-side-side congruence, which is called SSS congruence for triangles. It is the mathematical way to say that triangles are structurally rigid and determined by their side length. Side-angle-side congruence, which is often SAS for triangles. This is where a side is congruent to one and the angle is congruent to the other. So it's two triangles from two sides of given lengths with a given angle between them. That's what side-angle-side congruency theorem means. The reflexive property is meaning that it simply states that a value is equal to itself. So let's try to figure out these two triangles are as shown here. We'll call this triangle A, B, C, and we'll call this triangle D, E, F. Now I'm going to show the markings of what it would be, and we're going to guess which congruent theorem would this be. Now that it's marked, can we guess which congruent theory this would be? So we would put triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF, and that is because this is the congruency for side, side, side. Let's do another proving congruency theorem. So I'm going to label two triangles, one being ABC, the second being JKL. Now I'm going to mark up the triangle. Now we need to guess which theorem is this. Is this side, angle, side, or side, side, side? In this theorem, it'd be triangle ABC is congruent to triangle JKL by side, angle, side theory. Now we're going to do a proof. I'm going to draw what looks like a rhombus with the line intersecting two angles. And we're going to label this W, X, Y, and Z. So we need to find triangle ZWY is congruent to triangle XYW by what theorem? The only thing we are given is ZY is congruent to side WX. Now ZW is congruent to side YX due to the definition of congruent sides are congruent. Now we know that WY is congruent to WY due to the reflexive property, which we've already described in the vocabulary earlier. Now we have enough information to figure out what theorem this fits under. So it's triangle ZWY is congruent to triangle XYW by what theorem? Correct, it would be by side, 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 because there is no angles within this theorem. Now you know what side, 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 and side, angle, side congruency theorems are. Thanks for watching. Tune in next time.